Oh yeah, I got this. This is easy. Oh shit! Oh my god. I can't see anything. Dude. Hopefully somebody does not rear-end me. Dude, what the fuck? So, unfortunately, guys, I mean, kind of fortunate for me, but I can leave work early today. So, unfortunately, guys, well, I guess fortunate for me, today's Friday, and I'm actually supposed to be at work right now, but because of the weather, I cannot do my job. So, I guess it's unfortunate for the dealership I work at, but it's a good thing for me. So, I figured since I'm in a freaking rainstorm, I might as well just go on a little bit of a drive, bring you guys along, try not to die. That would be awesome. But I am a veteran when it comes to Florida weather. I've been living here for quite some time now. And on top of that, I have one of the greatest all-wheel drive systems of all time found in my 2004 Subaru WRX wagon. So we have maximum grip right now in this rainstorm. Oh my god. Dude, that Porsche's like plowing through the water. But yeah, hopefully we can escape the weather. Don't be a dick, bro. Let me go. You're just gonna drive slow. Oh shit. Oh my god. That's real. Yeah guys, we are pretty hooked up with this all-wheel drive system. I mean, if I was in one of my old 350Zs, this would be so sketchy, but we're in the Subaru, you know, this thing was built for these types of conditions. But I digress. Some of you guys might not know this, but I don't do YouTube full-time. I wish. That's the goal one day, is to do that. But I do automotive photography, so I actually work with a few dealerships and I photograph some of their inventory. And yeah, I mean, given the circumstance of the weather, can't really do that. So I left work early, and now we're on this drive and we're hitting some back roads. I just hit a pothole, that sucks. But I'm trying to get through all these NPCs. Alright. You gonna let me through, bruh, or are you just gonna be a dick? Be cool, homie. Come on, bruh. All right, guys, this person's being... Oh, this is sketchy. This is sketchy. The roads are so slick, I feel like I'm turning to the left, but my car's just gonna keep going straight. Oh, snap. But if you guys missed the last episode, be sure to go back and watch that. You would know that we fixed my Subaru wagon, and now she's running, I wouldn't say 100%, but she's running a lot better. And yeah, I've just been enjoying her, guys. I've been, you know, driving her a lot, you know, just to out of town, to work every day. She's kind of been a trooper, old girl, and fingers crossed she continues to be reliable. I'm trying to just keep up with the maintenance. I did spark plugs. I did an oil change like 2 days ago or something like that. So just trying to keep her happy. Yeah, we're probably headed out to the beach, but I mean, we'll see if I'm able to make it out there, because it will be a little sketchy with this weather. Essentially, we're going to be driving alongside the coast, and we're going to be maybe inches from the ocean, so we're going to see how dicey it'll get. I was supposed to meet up with one of my homies, Don, with his GTR, but he was just like, nah man, there's no way I'm gonna take my car out in this rain. And you know, as cool as expensive cars are, you know, a lot of owners, you know, those are kind of their prized possessions and they don't want to risk it. But me, I'm different, guys. I love driving my cars, you know, and this car is no exception. It's got about 170,000 miles on it, multiple owners, and I'm using it for what it was made for, you know. So I like driver cars and cars that love to be driven. So this car kind of checks all of those boxes while also being super practical. You know, the wagon, man. I used to have a Forester wagon. I will throw a picture up on the screen, and it was cool. I had some cool little rare OEM plus parts on it, but it was just kind of slow. So I wanted something a little bit quicker but just as practical. So I went on the hunt, sold that car, and this WRX wagon fell into my lap. And I wouldn't say it fell into my lap. It took me about a few weeks of battling the marketplace to find this thing. I mean, you know, the World Rally Blue wagon, that's just a super hard spec to find. So it definitely took me a little bit. But this is Florida in a nutshell, guys. Behind me, it is like pitch black, and then in front of me, we're actually driving out of the storm. I didn't realize I was going so fast. This car is so stable. It seems like we just got out of the storm. It's back there, if you guys can see. But yeah, man, no, this car's been absolutely amazing. Ice cold AC too, and interior's super clean. Like, it's even got the stock freaking radio. Like, that's just hard to come by these days. So there's some pretty insane houses here, guys. We're gonna make our way through the island right now. We're basically driving out of town and we're going on to an island, essentially. And yeah, you guys can see some of the properties here. There's like multi-million-dollar houses, you know, some pretty crazy estates. This wagon is also an estate, technically. I guess if you live like in Europe, and I recently learned that. Is that an Xterra? Yo, that's clean. Dude, look at this Cybertruck on the beach. Yo, that's crazy. Alright. Don't worry, bro. I can off-road. We found that out in the last episode, guys. If you missed it, be sure to go check it out. We took the Subaru off-roading for the first time, and it was pretty legendary. Like, look at some of these properties, guys. Like, that's the smaller ones, too. Yo. Crazy. But yeah, guys, the ocean's just right there. Look at this property. Oh my god. Dude, I think this is the one with the statue in it. Hold up, let's go slow. Nah, this isn't the one, but it has those cool, like, lion heads sticking out the side. This one has, like, it's being built. It has, like, an elephant right there. That's pretty cool. This yellow one is sick. This is the one with the statue. Take a look at that, guys. As the rain comes in, we gotta move quick, but oh my god. Should we do it? I think we should. Alright. We got some off-roading action right here, guys. Let's put the windows down. That's crazy. Subaru's got it. It's actually starting to pick up the rain, so. Alright. We made it. So we've made it, guys. And my GoPro decided to die, so I just have my iPhone as of right now. But yeah, it's crazy. This is all the damage done by the hurricane, because this was all like solid road, and now it's like all destroyed, and a lot of properties got messed up. But it's still pretty cool to come out here because how close you can get to the water. So I will probably take a quick little video and get out of here because the storm is getting closer and closer, and it's not too safe to stay out here, to be honest. So yeah, be sure to leave a like on today's video. It was kind of a spontaneous little drive, but I'm happy that I got to bring this video to you guys. And yeah, just stay tuned for more dope content with the Subaru. I will hit you guys in the next one. See ya.